Hey friends, it's Amy with Whole Self Unity, and I'm here with another non-toxic self-care recipe because it's Tools Day. Today you're going to find yourself. So breathe with me. Come sit up straight. Place a hand over your heart. Make sure there's room for your lungs to expand. And we're going to take 3 deep, long, full breaths together. Settle in. And see if you can feel or hear your heartbeat. You are present, and your body is as amazing as you are. Now, if you didn't feel it this time, you can always try again in a moment. Connect with us on social media. We have more things coming, and we look forward to seeing you again here soon. See you next time.